Muthikabu mweru wa Diocese ya Nyeri Anthony Muheria ni aramukirirwo na nduhio kaunti-ini yo kuria erigireirwo gukorwo akiyukia ithenya ria muthikabu Peter Kairũ. Akiariria muingi thutha wa kunyitwo ugeni horo-ini ya kanitha wa Katoleki mwena wa Nyeri, Muheria ni arahinyiriirie muingi kuhimbiria thayo ari undu umwe muthikabu Peter Kairũ na uria urari muthikabu munene wa diocese-ini yo arakoragwo akirwirira.
I also want to take advantage of this moment, of course, to ask all. It's a moment of grace for all. In our country, we need so much grace. We know that Archbishop Kairũ has been speaking a lot about peace. He has been really a peace broker. He has been a message of peace. So that's the same message we want to send even on this moment of my celebration.
Nihinyiriirie muingi wa Kenya kugia na thamiri njega na gutiga kwiyenda makiria hindi ino ya kambeini kuona Ngai nowe angikorwo akiheana mutongoria kuria ningi agathiriirie Peter Kairũ ni undu wa utungata wake kumana na itemi nene anatema nginya kumurera kiroho.
Laying your life on the ground so that others can step higher, not stepping on other people's back so that you can be sure. This is the evil that has taken our country. We pray that slowly, and the church has been speaking. Archbishop Kairũ has spoken a lot. The bishop chairman of the Bishops' Conference has spoken a lot. All bishops, that we need to recover our conscience. We need to really care for our brother and our sister. We need to see them down and lift. We need to stop when we see them suffering. We can't just walk by. We shouldn't think about my unga. They should think about the unga of the poor. And I'm afraid that is why we are in Kenya.
Mwena-ini wake muthikabu Peter Kairũ ni oritie Kenya kunyitana kuria amukirite Muheria na gikeno guthie na mbere na utungata uria koretwo arwirire kwa ihinda inene.
Honored to welcome the Archbishop Anthony Muheria to Archdiocese of Nyeri. So as he has spoken, we are together to uplift our people, for preaching the message of Christ, namely peace. Christ said that peace I leave you, this is my gift to you. So I hope that together we are going to bring peace, not only to Nyeri, but to our country Kenya.
Muheria amurirwo ni Pope Francis gutuika muthikabu wa kanitha ucio riria ari bishofu wa diocese ya Kitui na riu agukorwo agitongoria makanitha ma Nyeri, Embu, Nyahururu, Meru, Isiolo, Marsabit na Maralal.